you get croaked.
You know. Alright, what's going on, guys? It's John back with another video. It's been a while since I've made a video. Probably been a few, I don't even know, probably like a month and a half, something like that. I'm gonna vow to you guys that I'm gonna be trying to daily vlog for the next, I don't know, coming weeks. We're gonna see how long I can take it. Figured I would give it a shot. So this is vlog number 1 of daily vlogging. Now, this car has never been introduced to the channel, but I'm gonna go somewhere where we can introduce this car. This is the new car to the channel, because if you guys didn't know, if you didn't follow my Instagram or my TikTok, I did sell the BMW E92, the 328i, and I ended up getting this. This is a BMW E90 335D, not a 335i, this is a 335D. So, what the D is, it's a diesel. A lot of people don't really know about these cars because they're kind of hidden gems, I guess you could say. There's only just under about 10,000 of them in the United States. In like the UK and like other places, but the US are pretty common to have diesels and whatnot. In the US, there's really not that many diesel cars. I mean, there's like the TDI and stuff like that, but 335D is somewhat rare compared to other diesel vehicles in the US. Yeah, this is my 335D. It's a 2011. It's got the saddle brown interior and it is metallic bronze on the outside. Basically, I'm going to run down what I have done to it so far and then my possible plans with it as well. With this car, my main kind of deal with it is that it's a daily kind of. I kind of daily it, but also kind of don't. I don't know. I don't know how to explain it. It's a daily. As you guys know, I have the Turbo BRZ and now I have this as well. Basically, what's done to this thing is it has a Casella performance tune. It is It's off-road use only though. We're driving on a private road right now. This is my own racetrack, private road. Also my county here where I live, there's no emissions. So, just saying. So yeah, tune into by Casella Performance themselves in York, Pennsylvania. They do great work. Next up, I have a Rod sub-fin transmission tune on it, which is great. It responds so much better now to shifting. It doesn't shift super slow. Next up, I have a ATM intercooler and ATM intake on this thing as well, and then it has a downpipe, a countless downpipe, and then it has a muffler delete. It's not really the loudest thing ever. You could just hear a ton of turbo whistle, and that's really it. Other than that, a bunch of cosmetic mod stuff, like carbon mirror caps, wheels, tires, coils, I don't know, a few other like little things. Like this shift knob here that my girlfriend got me, little F-Series shift knob. It's cool, why not, right? One of my favorite things about this car is literally the interior. I love the interior of this thing. I wish I had the M Sport, but I don't. So definitely one of the things that's gonna be upcoming for this car are M Sport front bumper and rear bumper, because these two bumpers suck. Still looks good. I approve of it. Nobody knows that it's a diesel, so it always breaks necks. And it's pretty fast. Supposedly tuned by Casella Performance, they said that with their tune on it, with it being and whatnot, that it makes 350 wheel and 550 torque. I don't know how true that is. I'm actually going to a dyno. Oh, shut up! Woo! We're gonna test that out and see if it actually makes that power. Not really sure though. Right now, we're just driving around. I'm gonna go find a spot that I can show you guys the outside of this thing and show you what this thing is all about. All right, guys. So we are now at the spot to film the 335D. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I've done to it and basically all about it. I'm gonna start by opening the hood here and looking at the power plant that we have. This is the M57 motor. What this is an inline 6 bi-turbo. What that is there's actually the bigger turbo, which is on the bottom, and then the smaller turbo is on the top. The smaller turbo helps spool up the first initial 3,000 RPM, and then the bigger turbo then again helps the basically 3,500 RPM up to 5. All right, so before I go ahead and start explaining some more about the car, I want to let you guys know that I post about this car and my Turbo BRZ on my Instagram all the time. If you're not following it already, right here at BRZ John. Got some merch coming. I'm giving a little sneak peek, nonetheless. So go ahead, follow my Instagram. My TikTok is the same thing, BRZ John. But let's get back into the video. Basically, this motor is, like I said, inline 6 bi-turbo. It's a 3.0. As you can suspect, it definitely picks up for a car like this. 3,800 pound car, but it still definitely moves. You can see I got the ATM intake right here, and obviously down here is the ATM intercooler. You cannot see it because it's hiding behind this bumper. That's gross. Other than that I have done in the front here is just these little red scoops that I had put in. That's really about it. There's nothing else that's really done in the engine besides it has a tune. Also has a downpipe down there. Can't really see it, but it's got a downpipe. Just believe me. That's all we're gonna show about the engine. Let's take a look in the inside. So this is the interior now. We have the saddle brown interior with the black. Then Obviously, it has this stupid beige headliner. Which, you know, shout out to the BMW engineers. Why did you just not make this black? I don't know. Nonetheless, interior, it looks super clean. I love it. Really, the only thing I want to do is just change this out for an M Sport steering wheel because I hate that steering wheel. It's gross. It's huge. I feel like I'm driving a boat. Other than that, 4 doors, so that's different. Got a lot of room in the back. Seats are super nice. Seats are super nice. I love the saddle brown, like I said. But yeah, interior's dope. Trunk space, pretty good. Pretty big. This is the trunk space. Got my little BMW book, a little rag here, and then this little Everstar thing just for emergencies. You know the deal. Shout out Casella Performance for the tune. Listen to that thing purr, baby. Woo! So now going on to some other things about the car here. I put some BC coilovers on it, so that's why the fitment is how it is. Pretty good, pretty low. Max, I'm running 255/30/19 tires along with the VMR V803 wheels. I forget the offset and everything for them, but I'll put it in the description if you guys are interested. That's what I'm running all over the car, these wheels and tires. They are Michelin Pilot Sports VMR wheels. Other than that, cosmetically, I went ahead and wrapped these orange side markers black. Did this, it's a sequential little side marker piece, nothing crazy because the other one was ugly and clear. These carbon mirror caps here, cool, simple mod aesthetic. And really, that's it. Like I said, has a trans tune by Rod Sufkin. Yeah, that's really all about this car. I'm excited to see what I can do with it. Winter's coming up, so I'm not really sure what we're gonna do. Car-wise, I don't know if I'm gonna try and get another vehicle to make some more winter content or if I'm gonna be driving this thing. We'll see soon enough, I guess, right? So let me know what you guys think about the car in the comments below. Let me know what you guys want to see. If you guys want any type of videos like how-tos or just any type of mods, let me know. I definitely have some things planned for this thing. Stay tuned for that. It's going to be sick. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the subscribe button down there. Drop a like and drop a comment. That's going to do it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the presence of the 335D. Catch you guys in the next one.